What's up, everybody? This is Derek Asher, also known as the Skateboarding Barber, and I'm here today with the package from Goya Foods. Let's open it up and see what we got. You know, I haven't been this excited about a package in a while. I love Goya Foods. Best seasonings, best toppings. Doesn't get any fresher. Let's go. Nice package. Check it out. I got a nice little card. I appreciate that. This is the premium seafood selection. Let's give it a shot and I'll let you know what I think. Yeah. Squid and ink. Next up, we have our Goya premium seafood jumbo squid and garlic sauce. This is wild caught and gluten-free. We have Goya premium sardines and olive oil. This also is wild caught. Yellowfin tuna spread with vegetables. Here we have our Goya premium yellowfin tuna in Galatian sauce. This is hot, also wild caught. And last but not least, we got our Goya premium mussels in a pickled sauce. Let's try it. Give it a shot. Kind of black, kind of red. Never had squid in its own ink, let alone out of a tin can. So this is bottoms up, boys. Salty. It's fishy. It's definitely not bad. Let's try the next thing, huh? A little bit on there. Cheers. I thought this was going to be a lot easier than it is. Got like 6 more things to go. Sardines out of a can with olive oil. It's not horrible. It's just very sardini, you know, sardini. Let's go to the next one. So we have our jumbo squid and garlic sauce, huh? Yellowfin tuna spread. Woo, that hurt my stomach. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You tricked me. Oh man, that is good. Know what else you put in here? This is delicious. You don't even have to put it with bread. You can put it with chips. You can put it with crackers. Oh yeah. That's like a nice, like almost like a crab dip, but it's yellowfin tuna. Next, we got our yellowfin tuna and Galatian sauce, dude. Good. Alright, my freaks, we got our last one right here. Oh yeah! Mussels and pickled sauce. I love mussels and pickled sauce. Let's go, baby. It smells like pickles. The mussels and pickle sauce, baby. Let it go. Hey, shout out to Goya Foods. Thank you for the package. I'm looking forward to tapping in with you guys and seeing what other product you got coming out soon. Peace out. Yeah, dog. Yeah.